Looking for the best drone on AliExpress in 2026? Whether you're a beginner, content creator, traveler, or aerial photography enthusiast, today's list features 5 impressive drones packed with GPS navigation, 4K and 8K cameras, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, and long-range transmission technology. Stick around until the end to find out which drone offers the best value for your money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. L600 Pro Max GPS Drone. The L600 Pro Max GPS drone. This professional-grade drone features an 8K dual camera system, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, obstacle avoidance technology, brushless motors, and 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission. The L600 Pro Max is designed for users who want smooth, cinematic footage without spending premium flagship prices. The 3-axis gimbal significantly reduces vibration and helps produce stable aerial videos. GPS-assisted flight modes make flying easier, especially for beginners. Obstacle avoidance adds an extra layer of safety, while the brushless motors provide better efficiency, quieter operation, and improved durability compared to traditional motors. Pros: 8K dual camera system, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, GPS intelligent flight modes, obstacle avoidance technology, brushless motors, and smooth FPV experience. If you're looking for a feature-packed drone with professional-style stabilization, the L600 Pro Max offers one of the best overall packages on AliExpress in 2026. Number 2. SX1 Max GPS Drone. The SX1 Max GPS drone. This folding drone combines a 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, brushless motors, GPS navigation, and a large-screen remote controller. The standout feature here is the integrated display remote controller, which eliminates the need to constantly rely on your smartphone. The 3-axis gimbal delivers stable footage during flight, while GPS functions such as return to home improve safety and usability. Its foldable design also makes transportation convenient for travelers and outdoor adventurers. Pros: built-in screen remote controller, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, GPS-assisted flight, foldable travel-friendly design, brushless motor system, beginner-friendly controls. For users seeking convenience and easy operation, the SX1 Max is a fantastic option with an excellent balance of performance and portability. Number 3. V168 Max Mini Drone. The V168 Max Mini Drone offers a compact drone with dual cameras, obstacle avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, and a screen-equipped controller in a highly portable package. The V168 Max is aimed at beginners and casual drone users who want an affordable way to explore aerial photography. Its compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere, while obstacle avoidance helps reduce the risk of crashes. The included display controller enhances the user experience by providing live viewing without requiring a separate smartphone. Pros: lightweight and portable, affordable price point, dual camera setup, obstacle avoidance support, screen-equipped controller, beginner-friendly operation. If portability and affordability are your priorities, the V168 Max delivers excellent value for first-time drone pilots. Number 4. P7 Max Professional GPS Drone. The P7 Max Professional GPS Drone. This drone boasts an 8K camera, brushless motors, screen remote control, GPS navigation, and an impressive advertised 20-kilometer digital image transmission system. The P7 Max targets users looking for advanced flight capabilities and long-range operation. The integrated screen controller enhances convenience, while GPS functions provide reliable positioning and intelligent flight modes. The drone's professional-style design and strong feature set make it suitable for aerial photography enthusiasts who want more advanced capabilities. Pros: 8K camera system, long-range image transmission, GPS navigation features, screen-equipped controller, brushless motors, and professional-style design. If long-range performance and advanced features are important to you, the P7 Max is definitely worth considering. Number 5. S880 Pro Max GPS Professional Drone. The S880 Pro Max Professional GPS Drone. This model features an 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, GPS flight functions, brushless motors, and screen controller. The S880 Pro Max combines many of the features drone enthusiasts look for, including smooth, stabilized footage and intelligent flight controls. The 3-axis gimbal helps create professional-looking video content, while GPS support improves flight safety. Its versatility makes it suitable for recreational flying, travel content creation, and aerial photography projects. The S880 Pro Max is a solid all-around drone that offers excellent value for users who want stabilized aerial footage and advanced flight features. So, which drone should you choose? Best overall? L600 Pro Max GPS Drone. Best for stable video? S880 Pro Max GPS Drone. Best screen controller experience? SX1 Max GPS Drone. Best budget choice? V168 Max Mini Drone. Best for long-range flying? P7 Max Professional GPS Drone. Each of these drones offers impressive features for the price, making them some of the best drone deals available on AliExpress in 2026. If this video helped you find your next drone, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more drone reviews, tech recommendations, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.